Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to fix side pockets on trousers. These are the materials I'll be using for my side pocket. I'm using two different materials, one for the pocket and the other for the trouser, so we'll understand what exactly we are doing. So this is my trouser material. If you notice, I've put paper gum on the part of the trouser where I want to use as my pocket. I put paper gum. You can use paper gum, you can use gum stay, stay, anyone you have. It's just to make your work neat. To fix a pocket on trouser, on the waist you measure out 2 inches, then you mark. Then you measure from the waist downwards 6 inches, you also mark. After that is done, you take your scissors and notch a little bit on that place you mark, on that 2 inches and on that 6 inches. Then you fold in a triangular shape the way you see me do it. Then you iron. When you've pressed out the shape you formed on your trouser, the next thing to do is to work on the pocket. The pocket, the width is 12 inches while the length is 10 inches. When you fold it into two, the width becomes 6 inches and the length remains 10 inches. After that is done, the next thing you will do is to place your trouser on your pocket. Place it equally on the waist. Then you stitch from that waist down to the 6 inches you measured. On that triangular shape you formed with your pressing iron, you stitch it down to that 6 inches, from the 2 inches on your waist down to the 6 inches. This way, as you can see, if you follow everything step by step the way I do it, you will achieve the same results. So after you are done stitching, you will notch a little bit, like less than half an inch in. You notch from that 2 inches, you notch it in. On that 6 inches also, you notch it in, as you can see. After that is done, I'll fold my trouser this way. I'll fold it, the pocket behind the trouser. And after I fold it, if you like, you can iron it or you can use your hand to arrange it the way I'm doing. Then you stitch ½ inch away from the edge. You stitch ½ inch down to your 6 inches. After my stitching, this is what it looks like. The next thing I'll do is to fold my pocket into 2 equal parts, and this is what it will look like when you do that. Then you stitch down your trouser to your pocket this way. After that is done, the next thing I'll do is to cover my pocket. I will stitch the down part of my pocket, then I will turn and top stitch it. After that is done, I'll stitch my trouser to my pocket on my waist this way. After that, my pocket is ready. As you can see, I can comfortably put my hand inside the pocket without struggling, and this is the back view. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.